So in 1998, I started considering solar panels, and I thought about it for about 10 years. So then in 2012, I went ahead and started the project on my solar panels. If you look behind me, you can see on top of our dairy barn here, these are just a few of the panels that I put in. I put in about $500,000 worth of panels, and I worked with the Department of Agriculture actually on it, and got a subsidy from them. They paid about 25% of the cost. And my energy savings over the years is about 20%, but using solar saves a lot of energy, and it's green. Everybody's so important in realizing how the dairy farmers we have to be more progressive in being eco-friendly. So very happy with the solar panels, and hopefully that in the future that more agri industry goes that direction.
At our dairy here, we have a flush system. So the water gets used in the barn, and then from the barn it goes to a separator pond. And from there, the water will actually separate into a huge pond, and then we'll reuse that water to clean the alleyways of these where the cows stand and eat. By having a clean alleyway, the cows' feet stay clean, they stay dry, but it's neat how we recycle the water. The water is constantly used. We don't waste anything, especially water here in Arizona.